Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to find all the photos and videos you've been tagged in on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, some settings have moved around, but don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Click on Settings to continue. Now you'll be taken to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different sections. Look for Activity Log and click on it. This is where Facebook stores a record of everything related to your account activity. Once inside the Activity Log, find and click on Your Facebook Activity. This section helps you filter and manage different types of interactions on your account. Next, scroll through the options until you see activity you're tagged in. Click on it to expand more choices. Then select photos and videos you're tagged in, and that's it. You'll now see a complete list of all the photos and videos where you've been tagged. From here, you can review each post, remove tags if needed, or manage your visibility for better privacy control. This updated layout makes it easier to keep track of your tagged content, especially if you want to clean up your profile or control what others can see. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more simple and updated Facebook tutorials.